Okay, I'm here with Robin right now. He's got a M4, but it's like an M4 I've never seen before. So Robin, can you explain what is this and what makes it different from every other M4 I've seen?
This is a special model by BMW. It's called the M4 Gts, and it's from 2016. And I have it since it was new. And BMW built 721, I think, exactly of this model.
Is that worldwide, yeah?
Worldwide, yeah.
Right.
And half is in America and half is in Europe.
Okay.
And it's come with 4 different colors. This is the black one. It's the most unique one because it's only 115 of them manufactured. And the other colors is white, silver, and matte silver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know how many of these cars are in Sweden?
1 black.
Is that right?
In whole Sweden and whole northern Sweden, I think.
Is that right?
Denmark, Norway, Finland.
Okay. And it's here with us today?
Yeah.
Excellent. Right. I looked around the car before talking to you. I've seen that the wheels are staggered.
Yeah.
Is there a reason for that?
It's standard. It's all standard. The car is standard from BMW. I've done nothing except changing the steering wheel. So it's come like this from BMW, and you can only choose the colors and some small details on it. So it's original.
Okay, so I'm gonna guess now. You obviously know this is a track car, yeah?
Yeah.
Because looking inside, I can see there's a cage and everything in it. The BMW M4 GTS is a track-focused high-performance variant of the M4, boasting a lightweight design, upgraded suspension and a water injection turbo engine for exceptional speed and precision. What do we have underneath the bonnet?
There's the standard BMW M4 6 straight line, but they have tweaked it and put some water injection to lower the intake air, so they can boost the compression.
Okay. Can we have a look at that?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, so now we've got the hood open.
Yeah.
We can start with the hood.
Yeah, it's carbon fiber.
Yeah, we can see if you can actually see the twine in there on the carbon fiber. Right. So right, point out everything. Tell me how it all works.
I don't know exactly, but it's a straight line 6 with double turbos.
Yeah.
This is original.
Yeah.
Then the mounted the water injection into the air intake, so they can lower the temperature, so they can boost the compression and get more out of it. So it's especially for this engine.
I've never seen this setup before, ever.
Oh, it's a special. I don't know if they use it anymore or in another car, but this was unique for this model.
Right. So another question I have for you then: have you ever taken this out on the track?
No.
Never, no?
No, it's my baby, so I go only to the korvkiosk, you know.
Is that right? Just make a lot of noise on your way down there.
Yeah.
So the styling and everything like that, this is how you get it when you buy the car. I mean, the wheels, wow, they're fantastic, yeah?
Yeah, it's one of a kind wheels only on this model, so it's unique.
And what kind of brakes do we have on this car?
It's ceramics, I think 330 on the height. I don't know exactly the height, but it's ceramic all around.
I mean, what kind of power are we talking with this car as well?
The BMW says 500, but it's a BMW, so maybe some more.
Yeah.
It's enough.
It's always enough. You know, like I always say to people, when it comes to BMWs, straight 6 cylinders, they do it better than anybody else in the world, and they get amazing power out of them. What do you know the engine model number?
No, I can't like this exactly.
Right. But it's a tweaked M4 with water. What did you say? Water
injection.
Water injection.
Yeah. So in the boot is a water tank that you fill with distilled water. So So it's putting in water when you go above, I think, 3,000–4,000 RPM. So
that's crazy.
Yeah.
Well, you know, Robin, this is an amazing car, man, and you know, thank you for sharing it with us.
Yeah, thank you.
And hopefully, I'll see you again.
Yeah.
You know, because I've got no other option. If I don't see you, I don't see this car, literally.
No, it's one of a kind.
Right. Thanks a lot, man.
Thank you.
Thanks. So I'd like to say thank you for Robin for showing us his very unique GTS. And if you'd like to see more cars like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all again next time.